Hi, Jojo here with a little short rhyme for you today. Hope you're doing well. The rhyme's called Morgan Car Factory. A visit to a factory to see cars being made, luxurious and super fast. I don't own one, I'm afraid. Built to order, made to last. I like to see them run. Out on the open road, what could be more fun? Below is a little clip of my visit to the Morgan Car Factory in Worcestershire in England. Hope you enjoy it. I'm sure you'll love to see the cars being made. I love everything to do with factories, anything from biscuits to cars. And I hope to see you soon. But before I go, don't forget to like and subscribe.